Hi everyone, it's Morgan here with another base video. This time I ordered the backpack. I ordered this on Black Friday. They were actually having like crazy deals and they said that they don't usually do that often, so I did take advantage. I believe I got 30% off. It is originally priced at $78 and I got it for $54.60, but then I did have to pay for tax and shipping, which came out to $68.10. But overall I saved more than 20 bucks, so worth it to me. And I'm very excited to open it. I have ordered quite a few things from Base before. I do have a couple other videos. I will link them in the description box if you are interested. Here is the unboxing of the backpack in beige. Oof, it's beautiful. Everything always comes in this wrapping. It says, get lost, find yourself, repeat. Which is so cute because obviously this is a travel brand. I love the whole message. I am obsessed with the brand. You probably know that by now. That's no surprise. I actually just went on a trip to Aruba and I carried their work tote through the airport and as like my personal item and everything, but because I had so many things in it, it was really heavy. So I kind of wish the backpack came before my trip because this would have been so much easier, and I feel like a backpack in general is just much easier to travel with than carry a purse, especially if it's gonna be heavy. So I'm happy this is here and I know I'll get so much use out of it. Oh, gorgeous. So first of all, this is what it looks like right out of the packaging. Beautiful. We do have the canvas material, but it does feature the vegan leather that they have on a lot of their items as well. I do have just about everything in the beige color aside from the work tote because I am just obsessed with beige, and oof, everything literally just so perfect. Okay, one thing to point out is the logo right here. I always love how it looks so nice on their vegan leather. It says Base right there. Also the cute little sewn in tag. I love that detail as well. So first off, the outside features, we do have the front pocket. Of course, it is kind of like a squarish shape. Zippers are so nice and so smooth. I do love that it is gold hardware. Beautiful. The pocket does have a pocket inside, so it does have these compartments. We have one bigger pocket there and then two smaller kind of like pen pockets here, and then we do have their key fob holder thing. I actually really love this feature because I'm someone who always loses my keys, so it's nice to get in the habit of always hooking it onto something, tucking it right back into the pocket, and then you'll never lose them. And it'll be easy to find, so if you have other things floating around in here, you can find this string, pull it up, unhook your keys, and they're good to go. So I love that feature, and that is in so many of their bags. The inside looks very nice. I'm sure this is going to be an easy material to clean, kind of just wipe to clean. That is something that the brand as a whole keeps in mind, which I love because things get so dirty. The pocket is fairly big though. You can definitely fit a good amount of things in here. It's not like a super thick front pocket, but it's nice. There are two water bottle holders on the sides, which is a necessity. I do like that the water bottle holders are the vegan leather as well, and then the vegan leather does go around the entire bottom, so if you're setting your backpack down on the floor or, you know, wherever it may be, this is also a really good material to clean, and it just looks so sleek. Okay, before we dive in the main pocket, if we go to the back, the straps do look nice. They are padded, and then the top hook here is also that vegan leather. Beautiful. And then, of course, there is the trolley pass-through sleeve. So this is another feature on most of their bags too, which I do adore, and I did take advantage of mine on my work tote when I was going through the airport. I did check my bag, but whenever you're walking like to drop off your bag or after baggage claim, you know, it's nice to be able to just kind of set your thing down, like give your shoulders a break. So I do love this feature, and I'm so happy that it's on so many of their bags. This one does not have a zipper at the bottom. A lot of them have a zipper here, so you can either treat it as a pocket or as a pass-through. This one just has a pass-through, but I honestly don't mind that. I don't know if I would keep much in this pocket because it is directly on your back. You know what I mean? Otherwise, the canvas material is beautiful. I love this. The straps are adjustable here, if you can see that. Beautiful gold hardware to match everything. Definitely need adjustable straps, which I feel like the convenience and like versatility is always a big thing that they demonstrate, so I'm not surprised that the straps are nice and customizable. We can go ahead and open up the main compartment. I do like how deep the zipper goes. It's like almost halfway to the backpack, zips all the way around, and the zipper is really nice. If you can see, it comes nice and shiny, has the brand engraved on it. Love that. There is actually 2 zippers to kind of like the main area of the backpack. The back pocket is mainly their like laptop sleeve. So this is extra padded. I'm not sure if you can tell from the side, but it does have some padding for it so you can throw your laptop in here with ease. In my case, I always put my laptop and my iPad in their padded sleeves because both fit. So this is very roomy. You could put more in it if you want, but just know it is extra padded, which is so nice. This side is padded as well, so they're both nice to your electronics. And then for like the main compartment, this actually zips all the way down. The zipper actually starts at the bottom, so I do like that because you can obviously open it very wide to pack things. It folds all the way open, all the way down. So this is the inside of the actual main big pocket. One thing I have to say about the zipper starting down here, you know how some backpacks have like the security feature where the zipper is like in the back so no one can like unzip it from you because no one's gonna like reach around your back, unzip it and open it. I hope you know what I mean. I'll insert a picture. However, this one is kind of similar where since the zipper starts all the way at the bottom, I feel like it's less likely for someone to reach by here because when it's on your back, that's kind of like by your butt, you know? So I don't think anyone's really gonna reach by your butt to try to like unzip your backpack. So I don't know if this was intended, but it's almost kind of like a security zipper in a way, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so in the backpack, we do have these buckles here that are kind of like a suitcase. So if you want to fold anything, if you want anything to, you know, be extra secured and not move in place, you can unbuckle this, pack your things however you please, and then safety buckle it back into place, which is so nice. I've never seen a backpack like this before that has these buckles, and I love this on my suitcase. It's so nice, so convenient, and then when you open up the backpack, nothing will fall out or move or shift or anything like that. So I do like that. And then for the actual front piece is also very handy. So we do have 2 nice pockets, so the bottom one being clear. So this is nice. Again, this material is always easy to clean. So we have this clear pocket here, and then we also have a mesh pocket. So however you think you would want to divide up your belongings, it's nice that there are 2 different fabric pockets here. And then of course, you can also put things in here that are kind of floating. So you don't have to buckle things in, you don't have to put things in pockets, but it's nice that you do have the option and you can get extra organized if you would like. So love that. I've also never seen a backpack open up this wide before. So when you're packing it, you could fully open it, lay it on the ground, and kind of pack it like a suitcase. So that's really nice that it opens up so wide, so easy. Overall, I do love the material, and it is fairly roomy. I do feel like you could fit a lot in here. I will show you what it looks like on me. It also is just so cute. Like, this will definitely be my go-to carry-on bag because you're gonna look adorable walking through the airport, and it's so convenient as well. Quality feels amazing, and they do have several backpacks on their website, but this one is literally called the backpack. It also does come in black, and I love it already. Here is what the backpack looks like on. I am short, I am 5'1", and I did put some things inside so you could see it in a little bit more of a realistic sense and not just like flat and squishy, but it doesn't look too big on me, and I am short, so it probably looks good on anyone. It is so adorable, and I just want to be walking through the airport again already, and I'm excited to take it on my next excursion. The straps do feel really nice, although it's not heavy right now, but I love it, and they're super easy to adjust if needed. Cute! Thank you so much for watching. So far, definitely recommend this bag. Although I have not used it yet, this is just the unboxing and initial review. I will link my other base videos below. Let me know your thoughts. And I love to make these because I am obsessed with this brand. Please subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you next time.